wonderful Saturday in August, and I think I gotta mow the lawn. I just wanted to show you how easy this thing starts. This has been sitting here for about a week, over a week. It's been raining on it, it hasn't been covered up, but as you can see, it's ice cold. Holding my hand on it, there's leaves on it and stuff. So I bet you this will start up in one pull. Tractor's over there. Let's see. Choke it. Make sure it's out of gear. Yep. Here we go. I bet it'll start one pull. Alright. Anyway. Look at that. One pull. You didn't smoke that time. This thing runs so fucking nice. Alright, bye. Alright, now this is acting up. I have no clue why it's doing this, but it ran fine. I mowed the whole lawn and it only popped a few times, but now watch what it's doing. Full throttle, by the way. It's like it's missing or something. Like, see how it catches back on like that? Seems to idle okay. I don't get that. It's like it shuts off and then it's like almost ready to stop and then it starts back up again. And then it'll run fine for like another 10 minutes and then it'll start doing it again. I mean, it just like, it completely stopped on me altogether out there. I couldn't get it to start at all. And then it started back up and I mowed for another 10 minutes. It was running great. And then I started doing that again. So I don't know what the heck is going on here.